Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Carter.
And I am Emily. We are very happy to meet you.
Hi, my name is Lily. I love drawing and spending time with my family.
We are the Carter family.
We have many happy memories together.
And we love spending time with each other.
That's right. Our family is so special.
But sometimes life becomes very busy.
And sometimes people make mistakes.
But every family deserves a second chance.
Welcome to Family Memories.
Mom, Dad, I finished my drawing this morning. That is wonderful. Let us see it.
I can already tell you worked very hard on it.
Thank you.
This is beautiful. Which part do you like the most?
The part where we are all together in the park.
That is my favorite part too.
I love when we spend time together. You were not fast enough today, Dad.
I think somebody is getting faster every year.
I think Lily is winning.
I told you I would catch him. Dad, do you think we will always do things together like this?
Of course, I will always make time for you.
That is a very important promise.
And I mean every word.
A promotion? Thank you very much. I am honored by this opportunity. Yes, I accept.
I have exciting news.
You look very happy.
I received the promotion.
That is amazing, Dad.
You worked very hard for this.
Thank you. I am proud of what we achieved.
I am proud of you too.
That means a lot to me.
This is a bigger responsibility. There is a lot to learn. But I can do this.
Dad said he would help me today.
He is very busy with his new job.
I hope he comes home soon.
I hope so too.
It is getting late. I promised Lily I would be home. I need to finish this quickly.
Dad is taking a long time today.
He has a lot of work right now. We were supposed to finish this together. I know, sweetheart. Lily waited for you.
I am sorry. I lost track of time.
She was very disappointed.
I will talk to her tomorrow.
I am sorry I came home late.
I wanted to finish the drawing with you.
We will do it tonight.
Okay.
Next month, we will have an art exhibition.
Can our parents come?
Of course, everyone is invited.
That is great.
I still have work to finish.
So you cannot come home yet?
I promise I will make it up to you.
Okay, Dad. I want it to be my best drawing.
You have been working very hard on that drawing.
I hope he has enough time to look at it.
Your father will be proud when he sees it.
You have 3 meetings tomorrow.
That is more than I expected.
The new position comes with many responsibilities.
I am starting to understand that.
Why are you putting it away?
I want to keep it safe.
It must be very special.
It is. This is going to be fun.
I have been looking forward to it.
We all need a relaxing evening. I agree.
Please do not tell me that is work.
I am afraid it is.
Do you have to answer it?
Yes, it might be important.
The movie was just starting.
I know.
Let us give him a few minutes. This keeps happening. I know, sweetheart.
Okay, bye.
It's not fair. You have to leave?
There is a problem at work.
What about movie night?
I am sorry. We will do it another day.
Your father did not want to leave.
I know.
He loves you very much.
I just miss him. My drawing was selected for the exhibition.
That is wonderful news.
Do you think Dad will come?
I think he will try his best.
My drawing will be in the exhibition.
That is amazing. I am very proud of you.
Will you come?
I promise I will be there.
That drawing looks beautiful. I want it to be my best one. I think it already is. I still want to make it better.
You are still here?
I still have work to finish.
You should go home soon.
I know.
There are only 10 days left. You are very excited. Dad promised he would come.
I know. You have been coming home late every day.
The workload is temporary.
I hope you are right.
So do I.
I finally finished it. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to show Dad. He is going to love it. Dad is going to love this drawing.
I am sure he will.
I wish he was home already.
I know, sweetheart. Lily wanted to show you something.
Is she asleep already?
Yes, she waited as long as she could.
I missed it again.
The exhibition is next week.
I remember.
You will be there, right?
I promised, and I plan to keep that promise.
You are working even at home now.
I just need to answer a few messages.
You said that yesterday.
I know.
Another drawing for the box?
Yes, this one is very important.
Why is it so important?
Because I want Dad to remember it. Only 1 week left. I want everything to be perfect.
You are counting every day.
I think it will be.
The meeting is scheduled for next Friday. Next Friday? Yes, everyone must attend. I understand.
The exhibition is next Friday, and the meeting is next Friday too.
Everything okay?
I am not sure.
There will be so many drawings at the exhibition.
You have worked very hard for it.
I cannot wait for Dad to see mine.
I am looking forward to it too.
You seem worried.
There is an important meeting next Friday.
The same day as the exhibition?
Yes.
There must be a way. Is something wrong? My daughter's exhibition is on the same day.
That sounds difficult. What are you making?
A special invitation for Dad.
He will love that.
I hope so.
This is for you.
You made this yourself?
Yes. I want you to be there.
I will do everything I can.
She believes you will be there.
I know.
Do not break her heart.
I am trying not to.
I cannot believe tomorrow is finally here.
You worked very hard for this.
And Dad will be there.
Yes, I will be there.
Today is finally the day.
You seem very excited.
I cannot wait for Dad to see my drawing.
I know.
Let us begin. The exhibition starts soon. This meeting is very important. I know.
There are so many people.
Everyone wants to see the artwork.
I do not see Dad yet.
He still has some time. The exhibition already started. Yes, he promised. I know.
I am sorry. I cannot leave the meeting.
She has been waiting for you.
I know.
This is going to hurt her.
He is not coming.
I am sorry, sweetheart.
I really thought he would be here.
I know.
It is over. I missed everything. Lily must be devastated.
You should go home.
Congratulations, Lily.
Thank you.
You should be proud.
I wish Dad could have seen it.
You did a wonderful job today.
Thanks.
Your father is proud of you.
He was not there.
You are putting those away too?
Yes.
They are special memories.
She cried after we came home.
I never wanted that to happen.
But it happened.
I know.
She won a ribbon,
Yes.
and I was not there.
No, you were not.
I am sorry about yesterday.
Okay,
I really wanted to be there.
I know. You have not shown anyone your new drawings.
I do not know.
You usually love sharing them.
Maybe not anymore.
What is in that box?
My special memories.
Can I see them?
Not yet.
You kept all of these?
Yes,
They are beautiful.
most of them are about our family.
I do not remember this one.
That was my school project.
I missed that too?
Yes.
I never wanted to hurt you,
I know.
but I keep disappointing you.
Sometimes. Everything okay?
We are talking.
It is okay, Mom.
Good.
I cannot change the past,
No,
but I want to do better.
I hope so.
I cleared my schedule for today.
Really?
Today is for us.
That sounds nice. That does not look like a dog.
It is supposed to be a dog.
It looks like a potato.
That is even worse.
It is nice to see this again.
I miss this.
I missed it too. I can tell.
That is work again, right?
Yes,
Are you going to answer it?
I do not know.
You are not answering it?
No,
Why not?
because I am spending time with my daughter.
We have not been here in a long time.
I know.
I miss this place.
So did I.
We used to come here every month.
I remember.
You always filled an entire sketchbook.
That was fun.
I thought you two might be hungry.
You brought snacks.
That is perfect timing.
I know my family. Ready?
Yes,
This will be a nice memory.
very nice.
What happened?
They want me to lead a new project.
Is that good news?
I am not sure anymore. This project could change your career.
What would it require?
A great deal of time and commitment.
I understand.
This could help our future. But what will it cost? I cannot make the same mistakes again. I need to think carefully.
They offered me a new project.
Do you want it?
I do not know.
Then do not rush the decision.
Is the new project important?
Yes, very important.
Will it keep you away again?
I do not know.
What matters more, work or family?
That is a difficult question.
Is it really?
Maybe not.
You are still thinking about it.
Yes,
And about Lily?
mostly about Lily.
This is a major opportunity.
I understand.
We need your answer soon.
I will let you know.
We are having a school concert.
That sounds exciting.
I will be singing.
Your father will want to hear that.
I am going to sing at the concert.
That is wonderful.
Will you come?
I want to.
Have you decided?
Yes,
What are you going to do?
I am choosing my family.
I have some good news.
What is it?
I turned down the new project.
You did?
Why did you do that?
Because I was missing too much.
Because of me?
Because of us.
You really turned it down?
Yes,
That could have changed your career.
my family changed my life.
Was that good?
That was beautiful.
You are not just saying that?
No, I mean it.
Another memory for the box?
Yes.
Is this one special too?
This one is happy.
It is. A happy memory.
I am nervous.
That is normal.
What if I make a mistake?
You will do great.
I am early, and I am staying. I am not missing this. Not this time.
Dad is here.
I am right here.
You came.
I promised.
I can do this.
You are doing great.
I am not scared anymore.
I knew you could do it.
You were amazing.
You really watched the whole concert.
Every second.
This was the best day. I am glad you came.
I am glad I came too.
It was a beautiful concert. It was even better because we were together.
You have collected so many memories.
They are important to me.
They are important to me too.
Then we should make more. We have been through a lot,
Yes, we have.
but things are better now.
And I will keep working to make them better. What are you drawing?
Our family.
Again?
This time everyone is there.
That's wonderful.
What do you think?
I think it is perfect.
I agree. So do I.